Hi guys, it's me Bianchi-Boo. Today I'm going to do one more Toca Boca video. So today we're filling up the freezer. Yeah, I think so. But yeah, only the girls will because the boys doesn't want to because they're lazy. Yeah, so bye. Okay, bye. I'm doing it, so yeah. Okay, let's do it. We have nothing inside. Just nothing. Okay, let's do it then. We need... okay, sweetheart, we're doing this, okay? Okay. Okay, we need this. Wait, this is not in there. So this should not be there. Maybe there. Oh, oopsie. Like that. Yeah. Come on. There. It's hard to put it. Oh my god. No, mistakes. Mistakes happens. That is good, right? No. Or maybe. Okay, the pizza by. It's annoying, the pizza. Right, okay, let's do the... It's okay. Okay, let's do it. So we should put some cucumber, some salad, some tomatoes, some carrots, fish, spaghetti, candy, I don't know, but yeah. Okay, what should we add now? This bread, yeah. Are you serious again? Whatever. Okay, now I'm serious. So angry. Should I not put it like that? Maybe not. It's hard. Yeah. We just doing a little decorations also with a little more food and yeah. Okay. Don't mind that. That's knock. Okay, that's just maybe friends or yeah. So don't worry. Okay. No, nothing. Oh, fine. Okay, let's do some one pumpkin. Yeah, and yeah. That's good, right? Yeah, that's good. Okay. It's good. It just feels like I want to put something more, like steak. Chicken. Bread. Maybe octopus. No, drinks. Okay, drinks. Okay. Cheese. Bread. Cheese. Eggs. more. Yeah, that's that. Do you like it? Yeah, I love it. It looks so yummy. Yeah, we got it from the store. Everything. We got everything from the store. Everything. Yeah, maybe it was maybe 1 million. I don't know, okay? Did you not look how much it was? No, but yeah. Okay, let's do it. Fine, but I don't want it this time. You have to, okay? Fine. Okay, everyone get ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Like and subscribe to Bianca's videos. Yeah, and do everything if you want to see more videos. And like if Minecraft videos and subscribe for Abby's videos. Yeah. Okay? Okay. And don't forget to do everything and share and like and comment and subscribe to Bianca's videos. I hope you have a good day. Bye.